Example 4. A ship leaves port at noon and has a bearing of south 24 degrees west. South 20 degrees west. The ship sails at 20 knots. Knot equals nautical miles per hour. How many nautical miles south and west will the ship have sailed by 6 p.m.? The timeline. The ship leaves the port at noon, and we are looking for the distance, the south distance and the west distance after 6 hours. After 6 hours, the total distance would be 20 multiplied by 6 or 120 miles. We are going to find how many nautical miles south and how many nautical miles east. Let x be how many nautical miles south and y be the nautical miles west. From the right triangle diagram, we have 120 as a hypotenuse, 24 degrees, y as the opposite, and x as the adjacent. We're going to find x, which is the number for the nautical miles south. Based on the hypotenuse 120 and an angle 24 degrees, we can use the trig function using the cosine. So cosine 24 degrees equals the adjacent x divided by the hypotenuse 120. Therefore, x equals 120 multiplied by cosine of 24 degrees, or we get x as 109.6, or approximately equals to 110 miles. So this is the south direction. And next we're gonna find y, which is the west direction. Y is the opposite. This time we're gonna use the sine of 24 degrees, which is the opposite y divided by the hypotenuse 120. So y equals 120 multiplied by sine of 24 degrees, or we get y as 48.8 miles, or approximately equals 49 miles. And we can summarize as the ship will travel 49 miles west and 110 miles south from the port by 6 p.m.